it's Sarah. Today I'm going to be fidget shopping at Five Below. On the screen are today's shoutouts. If you guys also would like a shoutout, just subscribe, turn notifications on. I'll be the first 20 people to comment hashtag notification squad on my video. I'm super excited to hunt for some fidgets, and let's hope we find some fidget toys at Five Below. So yeah, now let's start. So here we are at Five Below. Alrighty, so I just came in, and right here we have some socks, a bunch of like kind of random stuff, I guess. And then what are these? Oh, I think these are like goggles. Oh my gosh, look, there's literally like ice creams on top. It's like an ice cream sundae. So a bunch of hand sanitizer for $1. Wait, guys, are these Poppets? Yes, they are. There's so many of them. This one's like a rocket ship cotton candy themed. This one's like glittery black. It's also like a rocket ship. This is kind of like space themed, I guess. This one's so pretty. Let's see some more. This one is also a rocket ship, but it's marble. Then I think that this is glow in the dark, and it's like an alien. I'm not sure what that is, but what is this? A purple alien with also glitters on it. Guys, there is literally so many of these Poppets for like only $5. This is a pretty good deal. So here are some markers, like pens, a bunch of like art supplies. Very colorful. Ooh, these are nice glitters. Look at them. They look so pretty. Oh wait, they're not even glitters. They're actually acrylic paint jars. You guys, look, I found these like colored skulls, and they're like plastic. These are for Halloween already. They're like metallic. They're so cute. Whoa, these are so glittery. Oh my gosh, look how cute this Stitch looks. He's so adorable. So here's the other like paint section, the crafts, stuff like that. So guys, so far we're doing actually pretty good. We found already like a bunch of pile of Poppets. So hopefully find some more fidgets at Five Below. All right, you guys. Oh my God. Look at all these Poppets. This is like a whole fidget section. It says find your fidget here. Oh my gosh. There's like so many Poppets. There are also some from back over there previously, but there's like a blue, purple, and black fidget. Ooh, this one's like marble. Oh my God. It's like a fidget spinner. I like the colors. They kind of remind me of like pineapple or like fruits and vegetables. There are so many Poppets. Ooh, and then there's even wacky tracks here too for $3. Oh my God, these like pop tubes are so pastel, like orange and green. These are some nice colors. Sorry, did you find something right here? Yes, look at all these fidgets right here.
Oh my gosh, literally
and you guys,
sign that says find your fidget.
Oh, this time there's 3 pop tubes, and I think these are also for $5.
Okay, let's start.
I love the colors. There's stress balls. Oh my God, these are so cool. I think these are color changing. It's like this cool like pink. Color changes to yellow. I literally think I should get this. This one color changes from orange to blue. This is so unique. I've never seen any stress ball like this. You guys, so far we're doing so well. There are so many fidgets here at Five Below. Okay, so there's a bunch of like summer supplies. Ooh, water guns for $1. What are these? Are these like, oh, these are like super cute, like kawaii erasers. They're very cute. Ooh, these are like sheets. There's a bunch of them. These look so cute. Alright, let's move on to this section. Water bottles. What is this? Are these? Wait, these are mochis, I think. So many to collect. 5-pack? Yeah, these are definitely mochis, you guys. Comment down below. Yes, these are definitely mochis. They're like in a popsicle or like a lollipop form. There's like a yellow and purple. It's just like lavenderish color. Oh my God. So there's even emojis at Five Below. Like, who knew? Oh my gosh. Whoa, what are these? Are these also fidgets? These are, oh, hair that girls. I don't think these are fidgets, but they seem pretty cute. Oh my god, this is like a pink section. Look at this. There's a bunch of pink stuff. Kind of reminds me of cheer. Okay, so here is like the art section. There's a bunch of colored pencils. Like, I've never seen this many art supplies. Like, there's so many. There's like literally glitter on it. And these markers. Whoa, these colors are so pretty. More Hershey's. Ooh, this like sequence flip. I don't know if this counts as a fidget, but these are so fun. Ooh, this is like a bit of a fidget. It's like very textured and spiky. Does it light up? I'm not sure because I've had one. Yes, it does light up. And there's even like glitter inside. Does this side light up? Let's see. Oh wow, it actually does. It's like a wand. Do some karate. Whoa, there's even skateboards here. Pom-poms, they're so fun. You guys, there's literally slime here. Look at this orange one. Are these, I think these are Fishbowl Beads. Oh my god, this is like teal. It's such like a pretty mermaid color. I love it. Some green one. Is this like metallic stuff in it or something? It's like color changing. There's so many colors. This one is gorgeous. There's like, it's a fidget inside of a fidget. This is like, this is just a clear slime bucket with these like spike balls, these like finger fidgets. Oh my god, there's so much slime in here. Oh, and there's a pink version of this too. There's some Orbeez. Oh, these are like massaging ones right here. Yeah, massage. Oh my god, look at these. These are foam bead slime. Plate foam. There was like a Crayola version of them or something. Whoa, are these fidgets too? Whoa, these are like rocks. Noise crunching. Do they make noise? They do. It feels like there's like clear glue with like maybe like fishbowl beads or something that like makes it, I don't know. Whoa. What is this? You guys, these are also stress balls. You guys, what is this? This is like a like monster lizard. It's like a stress ball. Does it look something come out of its mouth? No, not really, but this is so cute. There's a bunch of different colors in here. It's like a red one, pink. Ooh, there's even a purple one. It's like kind of alien themed. Whoa, what is this? But these aren't really, these are much stiffer than these ones. These ones feel much better, but I really want to get this. This is so big. Ooh, there's some more slimes, and this is like a DIY slime. Look how cool this looks. It's like a whole frappuccino. Wait, it's a literal scam. Look how giant that hole is on the bottom. Literally, they took out so many slime because of that. All right, let's see. Ooh, these are some splat balls. Oh my gosh, these are so fun. I love just like taking them and then like throwing them on the wall or the floor. There's a tomato here, a splat tomato. They feel so squishy. You guys, this is an egg. It's literally clear and it has a yolk. And this is so cool and super realistic. But I could imagine how that one would get super dirty if you would throw that on the floor. Clear putty in here? Oh wow, this is cooler than my vision. Some giant Nickelodeon or crazy art markets. Oh wait, there's squishies here. Oh my gosh, look how cute this one looks. It's like pink and it has like an ooh ooh phase. It's so slow rising. It's like maybe like a monkey, alpaca or something, like a hybrid animal. Super adorable. Let's look around. There's a bunch of slimes here at Five Below. You guys, what is this? Reverse the plush, flip between emotions. Oh my, are these like squishmallows? What is this? This is like a monkey. Let's see what it flips to. Okay guys, this is kind of hard to flip with one hand. Look at all these like flippy things. So here's like a tiger, I think, or like a cheetah. Let's see what it flips to. It's happy. And it turns mad. Oh my god. It looks like it looks like it's about to like bite me or something. This is like a pig?
No, I think it's an ox.
An ox. Yeah, I'm probably getting this wrong. But it turns into, it's mad, and it turns into, oh, it's a pig. Wow. I definitely got that wrong, but it's super cute. I love the pink color.
Yeah.
But I don't think I would get these. These are like super hard to flip. Like, oh my god. Yeah, these are really hard to flip, and they're kind of like the miniature version of Flippazoos. You guys, there's literally like this giant bucket of like these colorful bright clays, green, orange, and pink. This is a pretty cool color combination. Oh, there's these like jacks and ball things. These are pretty like nice to squish. Ooh, these mini brands. I've seen so many like videos on them. They're like so like, they're like real life things, just miniature. I love the like packaging. It's like all glittery. Guys, look what I just found. Among Us. Look how cute these characters look. Wait, it's a squish me. Is this like a Fidget? Let's see. Wait, this is like, there's something squishy in here. It's like a plush toy. This is so cool and unique. I've never seen something like this before. Comment down below if you have one of these. These are so cool. So if you guys are wondering for a good place to find some fidgets, I would highly recommend going to Five Below. Like, there's a lot of fidgets here, poppets, again, these like foam stuff. Moving on to a different section. Ooh, there's like a guitar, a mini one, mini section. Ooh, what is this? Oh, there's just a bunch of marbles. I thought this would be like a stress ball. Giant box of slime. There's actually a lot of slime. It's pretty popular around Five Below. Ooh, marbles inside of slime? It's like, this is the exact color of like apple juice. You guys, so they just came in and just added the new fidgets. Look at this like super shiny like silver ball. It has these like these silver glitters. It's so pretty. Also, you guys, they just added in like these giant balls. Before they had like the miniature versions. Let's see these ones. Ooh, they just added this like purple one, I think. It's super pretty. It like matches my channel theme actually. It has like these very cute flakes in them. So these are the giant ones. It has textures. This one's also textured. That's super cool. And yeah, guys, that was the video. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. So overall, I think Five Below had some pretty cool and unique fidget toys. So if you're looking to find some nice little fidgets, I would highly recommend going to Five Below. Plus, it was super fun to hunt for fidgets. Comment down below if you want a part 2, and like, subscribe if you want to. Bye!